E kaunti ma Migori, bang' dweche manok ka jotend migepe ang'wen e kaunti ma Migori bolo tijegi piny kendo donjo e wechego eko mag siasa. Sirikand kaunti no ero koro to okawo okang' mar pogo tijego mondo tich odhi nyime makare e kaunti no ero. Komiti mar MCS motelo ne ndiko jotich e kaunti no ero oyango ni kata odong' mana dweche 2 kamano ero to oganda dhi e yiero e pacho kaendi, tich margi mar puodho jochung' mag migepe nyaka dhi mana nyime kaka chiko wacho. Kotelnegi kod jakomgi ma bende en speaker County Assembly ma Migori kono ero Migosi Riganduro. Ji 4 go eko mabiro pongo migepe mag Public Service Management, migao no ero mar pi kod mano ero mar teko, migao mar pur kod pith kod mano ero mar lo kod dongruok mag bombe no chopo kohikore e kendo lipot margi dhi chwalo. Gibiro chwalo ne Migosi Obado mondo gikaw okang' machielo e neno ni weche go eko mag dongruoge mag migepe go eko obedo kod chochni kata e kindegi eki ma bende ji hikore ne dhi e yiero.
We are aware that we are in electioneering period and some of our CEC members had resigned purposefully to go and seek the mandate of the public in various cadres. Some of them went for members of parliament, others for the position of governor, I don't know, but I think others also including even the positions where we hold as at now, that is members of the council. So far we have vetted 3 nominees, saved 1 that we have also given an opportunity to bring some of the documents that were really lacking because they come within the county and because that's one of the requirements. We believe that the names to us as county assembly. So from the names that have been forwarded, we check on the suitability of such individuals based on what I've really talked about. I've talked about maybe the provisions of the law, Section 35 of the County Government Act 2012. I've also talked of Section 8 of the County Government Act. I've also talked of Article 179, Sub-Article 2 of the Kenyan Constitution 2010. So those ones give us the guidelines on the qualifications and the issues of the vetting process. And also the Appointment Act, the County Assembly Approval Act 2017. So those are the things that really guide us. So we don't have to go through a competitive interview. And what we are doing here, we are not interviewing them. We are validating the process that really brought them up to this place. So we are vetting. After vetting process, we go for the county assembly approval. After the county assembly approval, if the assembly is convinced that these people are fit to be in those positions, then they are appointed by the governor. We can approve and still they are not appointed. Yeah?
There is that position. I just came to the office. I just went to the office and told them that I was interested in that position. They just told me, the secretary that I found there, just bring your CV. That is enough. So actually I applied verbally. And then they told me, if you give us your CV and you have shown interest and you have said that that is the area you want, we'll just consider your CV. That is how now I applied. I did not write a letter. In my own assessment, they did their work well. They were very serious people and they questioned me many areas, some of which I did not know. Because again, as I said, it's just 1 week when I noticed, when I realized that I've been it was announced in Ramogi Radio and then it came in the newspapers on Friday the other week. It's just 1 week. So because of that short notice, I could not prepare so well. But then I said I must just come before them, and they have done their bit. I've done my bit, and so I leave it for God's will. It is God's will that I am taken there. I will come and work.